Alright, first things first. Let's enable Bluetooth. So it's enabled. Next, we're going to go to Settings and look for a device. Make sure this is open. It's on. So we're going to FN. It should blink, and it should be Android, Bluetooth. So we're going to look for it. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. So it's alright, cool. It's connected now. Now you can type on it. So basically I did all three. I did PC, Mac, and Android. It works for all three. So this is a pretty cool keyboard for like 20 bucks. Highly recommended. I have a link on Amazon. So, and it's really great to type on a Scissor. It works for all three. So it's like a cheap Magic keyboard if you need one, and the batteries don't last like 3 months on AAA's. Plus I do a sound test. It's not that loud. I enjoy it more than the sound. No rattles. Just scissor sound. I like the feedback. So, thanks for watching. Peace. So, scissor switch. If you can see it, there's little dots in the thing, and then that's a scissor switch. So, yeah. Bluetooth. And then you're gonna type in the number. Alright, now it's connected. So start typing. So it connects to Mac, no problem. You can hear it. So yeah. Turn on the power. It's two AA batteries. I took the USB. So should be on. Yeah, it's on. It's blinking. So we're gonna do Windows. Try to look for it. And I gotta type in the pin for so. Alright, it's close. It's in. Now we're gonna do a typing test. Alright, so